Today I have the Will Barbecue grilling basket set. Let's see what's all included. So it comes with two different size grilling baskets. It comes with some dividers and a basting brush. All right, let's go get to cooking.
Crafted from premium stainless steel, this folding grill basket set delivers durable, rust-resistant performance for every barbecue. Featuring 2 nesting sizes, removable divider, secure locking handles, and portable design, it's perfect for grilling meats, seafood, and vegetables at home, camping, or tailgating.
So I like how easy you can just change off one and go right on to the other one. Just like that. If you need to flip this one. And this one I got it with the dividers in. This thing also has a bottle opener, which is really convenient. I highly recommend you check these out. They make grilling so much easier, and they made out of stainless steel. Check them out.